now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll see it clear. I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I live a life that's full. I travel each and every highway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I do what I have to do, and so it true, without exemption. I blend each charged course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I did all more than I could chew. But through it all, and never know, I had enough, when spit it all, I faced it all, and I stood tall, and did it my way. I blowed and cried. I've had my fill, my share of losing, and now, as tears subside, I'm fighting on. So amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, none in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man? What has he got, if not himself? Then me is not to say the feel he truly feel. In other words, one for this, the record shows I took the blows and did it my Yes, it was